Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Zubia Khan and I'm third year student of cardiac perfusionist from Ziauddin University. So today my topic is artificial intelligence in perfusion monitoring. So first of all, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means using computers to think or learn like humans or work like humans. What is the role of artificial intelligence? What is the role of artificial intelligence in perfusionist monitoring? Artificial intelligence in So in perfusion monitoring, artificial intelligence helps during heart surgeries by watching patients' data and help the perfusionist to make better decisions to save our patient's life, because artificial intelligence can predict problems before they happen or trigger the patient's life and give early warnings and suggest what to do next during cardiac surgeries for our perfusionist. Now we have some applications. Applications of AI in perfusion monitoring. First, we have predictive analytics. Predictive analytics means using early warnings, like artificial intelligence studies patients' data and past cases to overcome patients' predict problem before they happens. For example, if oxygen levels are falling, AI alerts the perfusionist early to fix it before they trigger the patient's organs or patient's life. Next, we have real-time monitorings. Real-time monitorings, AI continuously watches patient's data, watches all perfusionist parameters like oxygen levels, blood flows, pressures, temperatures during cardiac surgeries. Now we have decision supports. Decision supports means AI gives data-based advices to help perfusionists to adjust the heart-lung machines during surgeries. AI can suggest increasing pump speed or oxygen flow to keep their patients stable. Now we have some benefits like improve patient outcomes, enhance perfusionist decision makings, and increase efficiency. Better patient safety means because early predictions and early complications can detect helps in avoiding complications. And then smarter decisions because perfusionists get instant guidance during surgeries and analyzes data so the perfusionist can focus specials on patients. How AI learns machine learning, like supervised learnings. AI algorithms can learn from labeled data and predict outcomes and identify patterns. Next, हमारे पास है supervised learning. Supervised learnings, AI can identify patterns and in perfusion data with prior labelings. Reinforcement learnings, AI can learn from feedbacks and adapt to changing perfusion conditions. Types of algorithms. Neural networks can learn complex patterns in perfusion data. Decision trees work like flowcharts, can provide decision supports for perfusion management. Clustering algorithms can identify patterns and abnormalities in perfusion data. Where AI gets its data, from perfusionist machines data, electronic health records data, patients. Perfusion machines data includes flow pressures, temperatures, and oxygen levels. Heart rates, blood gases, and brain oxygens includes patients' monitors and sensors. Electronic health records, we have electronic health records. Now we have faced some challenges in perfusion monitoring to using artificial intelligence, like data quality, because artificial intelligence only as smart as the data gives. Then testing and validations needs to be checked in real surgeries. And then ethical issues. Final decisions must always be made by perfusionists, not artificial intelligence or other decisions. Future directions means integration with robotic surgeries or AI may work with robotic surgeries and smarter sensors. like personalized perfusionist global collaborations, sharing data between hospitals to work better with artificial intelligence. Flow management means AI optimized pump controls, real-time flow adjustments, and continuously monitor flow rates and adjust them in real time to ensure patients' vital organs. AI is changing perfusion monitors by improving surgeries safer and more efficiently. It helps predict problems early before they happen or trigger the patient, supports better decisions, and improve patients' outcomes. Like with more researches and safe use of artificial intelligence will make perfusionists are more advanced and use. Thank you. This is from my side.